Hello and welcome to another Clean with me on Coffee and Sponges. In today's video we are going to be cleaning the kitchen, the dining room, and the living room. The kitchen's not too bad. I just had to clean up a little bit from our dinner, and the rest of the house is completely trashed as always. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also I would love it if you considered subscribing. I would love to have you on my channel. And if you are new here, say hi down in the comments. I love hearing from everybody. So in the kitchen, I'm just starting by cleaning up some of these dishes from dinner and putting them in the dishwasher. There's not very many because I had been cleaning the kitchen as I went all day long. So just a few dishes, and then I'm going to wipe the counters and make sure everything's put up where it goes. And the last thing to do, of course, is pick up all the toys that Liam has thrown across the gate. Now on to the living room. I'm just trying to grab everything I see that is Aiden's and take it to his room. And here I'm just taking some of the bottles of water the kids had left out, and I'm just going to pour them into the diffusers. That way, whenever I get up in the morning, I can just put some oils in and turn it on for the day. And this is just about the end of the video. It was really quick. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, say hi down in the comments, and also consider subscribing. I post these kinds of videos all the time. I hope you guys have a good week, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!